Hey YouTube, what's going on? Thanks for stopping by the channel, and I have some exciting news to share with you guys. But before I get into that, I just want to say none of this is financial advice. I'm just talking about a project that I really like coming to a blockchain that I really like. I'm very excited about this because I am invested in this project and I believe I'm going to do very well. So please don't mistake my excitement for get into this project now before you miss your opportunity. It's not like that. I will never tell you what to do with your money because I am not a financial advisor. But guys, getting into it, if you haven't figured it out already, that project I'm referring to is Roaring Kitty. That is Roaring Kitty on Ethereum, contact address ending in 790F. Roaring Kitty is a meme coin inspired by Keith Gill and Wall Street Bets. It has that GameStop nostalgia, and the community has that Shibarium dream. But guys, that Shibarium dream is becoming a dream come true because this was posted in the Telegram not too long ago by a community leader, Random Arts. It says, I spoke with the devs today, and they are actively working on deploying the ERC20 template for Roaring Kitty on Shibarium. This is a crucial step in making our token fully bridgeable, allowing us to tap into Shibarium's fast, low-cost transactions and solidify our presence in the ecosystem. We are almost there, and this is extremely exciting for our community. The only thing left is to mint out these NFTs so we can secure the fattest liquidity possible on Shibarium. Billions will roar. Guys, this is so cool. Yeah, and the Roaring Kitty X posted, I think I got it here. Yeah. This was, I think it was on like February 8th. Is there a date on here? Yeah, February 8th down there. So this is a list of Bone wallets. Well, I'll read this first. Shib Army, as a part of our commitment to bridging to Shibarium, we've bought more Bone today in anticipation of exciting news from Cal and Satoshi. Our goal is to become one of the top 100 Bone holders. We are moving up. A huge thank you to everyone who has minted a Roaring Kitty NFT. So guys, this is actually pretty cool. There's another project bridging to Shibarium. It's another cat meme. I think it's called Shiro, but I'm pretty sure we hold more Bone than Shiro. I say we because I'm a community member of this project too, so this is really, I'm super excited for this. You may hear me say that 100 times because I don't know what else to say. Like, that embodies my whole attitude towards this. This is something that the community has been working towards for a little less than a year. The fact that they've accomplished what they have has just been incredible. Guys, if you aren't following the Roaring Kitty X account, like, even if you think if you just want to watch it, if you don't want to, if you're not looking at this as an investment opportunity, if you just want to watch the project and see where it goes and maybe invest in it later, follow the X account. We'll go look at the chart really quick. So this is the Roaring Kitty chart. As you can see, prices come back down to support here recently. Let's see. Yeah, so you're about at the bottom, it almost looks like. And I know, like, up around here in this area, this downward movement was when the project crossed 1,000 holders. All right, and then I know somewhere in here there was a lot of GameStop news and excitement because Keith Gill was posting, and the chart for GameStop, the stock, was looking super bullish, like it might break like $32, that resistance area on the stock. So a lot of people were buying into Roar just because of the whole GameStop narrative. But GameStop kind of bottomed out. All these GameStop investors, quote unquote, got out, and we had some whales sell out too, which has brought the price back down. But this is a great buying opportunity if you're looking for Shibarium plays. Like, this is about as good can get. I'll see if I can't find it right here. $10 million market cap for this is a penny. So as you can see, so right there we're at a penny, and this project has crossed a $10 million market cap twice, and then even touched it again. That wick right there, that touched a $10 million market cap. That's pretty notable. Once this project bounces back, it's likely to bounce back very strong. And once it's on Shibarium, it's going to have a whole lot of other eyes on it. Lots of new investors potentially coming in. This could do really well. Again, I'm not telling you to invest in it. You don't have to listen to me. I'm just some guy on YouTube. But look at this chart. And something else to note too, like 100% of the supply is on the market. There's no free tokens given to anyone to dump. That's why you have these V-shaped corrections. There's a little bit one right there. I know I pointed that big one out first, but when there's intense selling pressure down, it's always going to be met with intense buying pressure up. So you got another one right there. This chart is absolutely textbook. It's a good chart. It's a very good looking chart, even though the price is back down. I mean, you got to look at the overall market too. The overall market right now and recently is down. So one last thing I want to say. So Satoshi Kusama, he's been interacting with the Roaring Kitty community on X, and he's even mentioning Roar just in his own post. So this guy right here, not part of the Roaring Kitty community, but I think this is called engagement farming on X. I think that's what this guy's doing. But Satoshi replied to him. The guy's asking what the ticker is, and Satoshi says lots to choose from: Shib, Bone, Leash, Treat, Bad, Shifu, Shy. That's actually on Solana. Damn, Feed, Oscar, and Roar. There it is. And you know that saying, last but not least? I think he put Roar last because Roar is definitely not least. At least I like to think so. But to have this kind of endorsement from Satoshi Kusama, I mean, the guy is... I mean, if you're into Shib, you already know who this guy is. He needs no introduction. But for those of you that don't know, Satoshi Kusama is the lead dev for Shib. I think recently he took on a new role as some sort of like ambassador role to help promote the blockchain, the Shibarium blockchain. But this guy is 1 million followers. This guy, just to have this guy talk about your project is great. I saw something else on another YouTube channel once, like when Satoshi mentions you, like when he mentions your project in his own post, you typically see a spike in your price. Or this YouTuber was talking about these other projects that Satoshi had mentioned, and as soon as he mentioned them, they all had a nice little spike. So that is super bullish if you're really into Shibarium and you're looking for Shibarium plays. Roaring Kitty, man, I think this is a good one. And it is officially bridging to Shibarium. When it goes live on Shibarium, I will make sure I make a video about it. Probably won't be the first one to, but I'll probably be like one of the first 5, I think. Probably one of the first 5. That's what I'll shoot for because I think that seems attainable. But anyways, I am going to go because this is all I got for you. And hey, someone's calling me, so good time to leave. I'll see you guys later. Bye.